Hello everyone. In this video we are going to look into how we can download a Google Map 3D and upload into Blender. So for this we can see in Google Maps we have the 3D option. So we can see how we can download this and use this as a model, 3D model. So for this we need 3 different programs. So the first program is called RenderDoc. So we can go to the website renderdoc.org and download one of the versions. So I have used the specific version. So download RenderDoc. Then another program we need is Maps Model Importer. So this we can find in github.com. So download this specific version which is highlighted here, and there's this script in that which we will have to use later on, so just want to remind about that. And finally the program we need to create the model is Blender. So all 3 softwares or programs are free of cost, so we can download it for free. So the first step is go to C drive in your computer and go to the Google folder. So what we're gonna choose is Google Chrome. So go to application and find the Google Chrome.exe. So first step is to create a shortcut of this, and you can create a shortcut in the desktop. And after creating the shortcut, what we have to do is go to the properties, right click, go to properties. So after looking into the properties we can see the target. So we'll delete all the target what's written over there, and we will paste the script which I showed. So the script is from the Maps Model Importer. So there's a script in the website. So copy that script and paste into the target. So what we have to check is the path, the C program files path should be correct as your computer. So paste the script, then click apply. So after clicking apply, you'll see your Google Chrome icon has changed to a different icon. So that's like a command prompt icon. So that's the first step. In the next video we will see how we can make the model from this.